Okay. Okay, Grandma's got the hiccups. And apparently Kayleigh thinks it's funny. Not my fault. How am I going to get rid of my hiccups, huh? Kayleigh, what am I supposed to do about my... How am I going to get rid of my hiccups? Should I hold my breath? You think it's funny that Grandma's got hiccups? You used to get hiccups all the time when you were little. It's not my fault. Should I hold my breath? You're not even looking at me and you're still laughing. Kayleigh, you're not supposed to laugh at your grandma. You're supposed to feel sorry for her. Go ahead, scare Grandma. You're not gonna scare me to get rid of my hiccups? You think it's funny? You're not even looking at me. You think it's funny, huh? I had no idea that you thought they were so funny. Kayleigh. Are you ready to get out of there? You think it's funny? I'm gonna chew on your monkey. Don't suck in too much air, you might get hiccups. Kayleigh. You know, I should keep my hiccups to myself. And hold my breath. And close my mouth. But it's so cute to see you laughing. Kayleigh. You're not even looking at me. You're just laughing at the noise now. Kayleigh. Okay. So these hiccups hurt. You think it's funny? Oh. You're not even looking at me and you're laughing. Hi. What are you laughing at? You're looking at the kitty. Kayleigh. You think that's funny, huh? I had no idea you thought it was so funny. But you're more interested in kitty. Okay, I'll give you one more hiccup, and if you're distracted... You weren't even looking at me. Okay, I'm gonna try and get rid of my hiccups now, okay?